Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a dark chat toggle in Roblox Studio. So the first thing you want to do is head to the Explore tab, and if you don't have this, just click on View and click on Explore, and click on Starter Guy and click on Screen Guy, and then add a text button and name this chat toggle and make the text toggle chat. So now you want to click on the arrow on starter player and click on the plus sign on starter character signs, scripts, and then add a local script. So now in the script you want to do game.players.localplayer.wait for child, player guy dot wait for child, and then screen guy, and then brackets chat toggle. So what this does, it gets the button, which is the button over here, and then you do mouse button one click. So whenever the button is clicked, connect a function. So whenever the button is clicked, it will connect a function and it will run the code that you put over here. So click equals not clicked. So since we didn't put clicked on top of our script or before this, it's nil, which is false, so it will equal to true, and then it will equal to false again, and then true, and then it's going to keep on repeating. So if clicked is equal to true, then else if clicked is equal to false, then game.chat.set bubble chat settings, and then put a table background color free equals color free from RGB, and then I'm going to choose black, which is this color, and text color free equals color free from RGB, and the default is 250, 250, 250. And then you want to copy this code. What this code does, it sets the background color of the chat to black, and when the first time you click it, will run this code, and then if you click it again, it will run this code, then it will repeat the opposite over and over again. So you want to change the background color to 250, 250, 250, which is the default background color, and then the text color to 57, 59, 61. So, and that's pretty much just it. So now I'm going to click on test and put it to 2 players. Well, it's already on, and then click start. Okay, so now if I say hello, and if I press the toggle chat button, it'll change it to black. And also, if somebody else says hi back or something, it'll change the text color to black also. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and peace out.